911, we right here. Future say that it's out, yeah. We been smoking volcanoes, bitch. Still our vision be so clear. Lamborghini in top gear, all styling with no frills. If you got tits and I got thrills, I'm just trying to be sincere. All black, Bruce Wayne, bounce around like I'm insane. Watch me palming that bitch frame, and she looking at me like any day. I'm in frame, in focus. Y'all be sweating that EP. Y'all be training like PTs, thinking how the fuck can we stop these? How the fuck can we match them? They be walking like top 10. They be flyer than G5s, and they kill the game with no loose ends. Loose ends, back at the club with no friends, only going home with all tens. Haters and critics be talking and wasting their breath about us. Hands high, drop it low, drop it low, drop it low, let's go. Hands high, drop it low, drop it low, drop it low, hands high, drop it low, we go. Hands high, low, matter of fact, D.I.N just killed the track. Range that bitch when I'm off-road. Young blood, raw blow. Camcorder with a strip pole. Rip shows, backstage girls with ripped clothes. Kick it like me and she lick your toes. And she eat pussy like Ruby Rose. Just like Porsche do when she walks out in the 911. Go, go, get it, bitch. Breaking them rules, call 911. Break the bitch out and we all get free. Snap, paparazzi all on her. Snap, that bitch all on me. Don't give a fuck